according to Bitcoin. Yeah, it is showing. Thank you.
Okay. Uh,
Thank you.
Dr. Neeta, could you please enable the sharing part of it? I would like to share my screen. I will have a small presentation for everybody. Stop. The future of sales, what do we have in store for us? आपका एक्सपीरियंस बताइए मुझे अब क्या रहा है इन द रिसेंट टाइम हाउ हैव यू बीन बाइंग थिंग्स आप कैसे खरीद रहे हो अपनी रोजमर्रा की ग्रोसरी कैसे खरीद रहे हो डू यू स्टिल गो टू
मार्केट
द
जा रहे हैं और खरीद
मार्केट
रहे हैं.
मार्केट आके खरीद रहे हैं जब लॉकडाउन था तब कैसे
हाँ,
खरीदते थे
पास में ही है मार्केट जाके. आई लाइक टू गो टू द मार्केट एंड बाय द थिंग्स.
यू लाइक टू गो टू द मार्केट एंड बाय द थिंग्स राइट जब लॉकडाउन था
यस यस.
लॉकडाउन के वक्त मार्केट जाया करते थे आप
बिल्कुल मैडम, बिल्कुल जाते थे. बिकॉज
लॉकडाउन में भी
माई मदर
अलाउ
वॉज
था
ओल्ड एज. तो
ओके
हाँ हाँ, मार्केट तो खुला था ना. टू बाय द बेसिक थिंग्स लाइक वेजिटेबल एनीथिंग, यू नीड
बेसिक
टू
के
गो टू
अलावा
मार्केट.
सर
दैट वाज
बेसिक के अलावा सर
है.
बेसिक के
नहीं, बेसिक
अलावा
के अलावा
कैसे
मैडम देयर वाज नथिंग. देयर इज अपार्ट फ्रॉम बेसिक व्हाट एल्स यू वांट. You want
अपार्ट
milk, I mean all daily vegetable foods that you get, you go to market and you get it. That was open.
Correct.
Medicine shop,
Correct.
basic things,
Correct.
hospitals,
The
that was open.
essentials were
Yes,
open. The essentials were
yes,
open, right? जो basic
yes.
उसके अलावा कपड़े और बुक्स या फिर ट्यूशन स्कूल्स क्या था?
नहीं,
How was
all that
it?
has gone online.
All that has gone online, right?
Yes,
So
yes,
the future
yes,
of sales for us 2020 ने हमारे sales करने का तरीका change कर दिया. Everything for us has now become digital. We have all
yes,
gone online, and if you want to build up your organization, if you want to build up your enterprise, you also need to be open to go online. अब वो रहा नहीं जहाँ पे आप ह्यूमन कनेक्ट एस्टैब्लिश करके you could go out and sell. No, everything is now online. Let us understand what exactly is the future of sales in current times. Starting from 2020, अब ये जो है ट्रेंड हो गया है. The idea of meeting people in person is going to become a rarity. अभी कोई भी किसी से मिलना पसंद नहीं करेगा. वैक्सीन आने के बाद भी ये चेंज नहीं होगा क्योंकि अब तक जो है हमें हमें आदत पड़ गई है ऑनलाइन रहने की क्योंकि ऑनलाइन के हमने बहुत सारे फायदे देखे हैं आजकल. Everybody has earned lots of money while doing business online. Okay? So when you talk about sales online or when you talk about connecting with the people online, let us understand what is it that we have got in store for us. Sales is all about communication.
गरम करते ना.
Sales is all about communication. Communication is
गरम
connecting,
करते.
being connected to your people, being connected to your customers, being connected to your vendors. All right, communication bridges the gap between you and a stranger. And communication is the central core. Now let us see what are the trends that we've experienced when we talk about communication as a channel that we have. और लोग आ रहे हैं अभी धीरे धीरे क्या खत्म हो गया
हाँ
क्या
रिजवाना आप होस्ट हो अगर कोई आ रहा है तो उनको इन करना और
हाँ
ये जो आवाज आ रही है ना उन लोगों को म्यूट कर दो या फिर
हाँ
बोल
जी
दो
बिल्कुल
म्यूट होने के लिए.
ठीक है कर
कुछ
देती
नॉइस है बैकग्राउंड नॉइस है.
हूँ हाँ मैं कर देती हूँ बिकॉज अभी मेरे ख्याल से 3 या 4 लोग आए हैं. Okay, so let's go. Why is the screen not moving? Okay. My question to you all, how are you communicating with your family members now who are not staying with you? फिलहाल
Over
आप
phone
किस
only.
तरह over the phone
Over
or
phone. Yeah.
or any other mode medium that you're using?
No, only phone and
फोन का मतलब आपने
sometimes the webcam, sometimes the
can
WhatsApp cam.
okay, you're doing a video
Yes,
conferencing also, video calling also. So let us see
yes,
what
yes.
exactly is the prediction of future. They say that the current trend. There was a survey done by McKinsey. There was a survey done by McKinsey which says that virtual presence will provide the groundwork for all kinds of communications that we will be doing in future. अब हम कभी भी किसी के घर या किसी को अपने घर या किसी के दफ्तर नहीं जाएंगे. Everything is gonna be on virtual. Now, what is it when I say it is virtual in nature? What is it that we need? What is it that is in store for me? One, अगर मुझे virtually communicate करना है लोगों के साथ, what is it that I need to do? First and the most important thing is I need to update my value proposition. मैं मैं क्या वैल्यू एडिशन करूंगी या करूंगा अपने कस्टमर्स के लिए, क्या चेंज में लाऊंगा या लाऊंगी उनकी जिंदगी में. इफ दे बाय माय प्रोडक्ट, what is the value addition that I am doing which my competitor is not doing. Along with the value addition, you also need to change your persona. Persona का मतलब होता है the entire vibe of your product. Like for example, if I take into consideration giving online tuitions to students, what is it that you will do differently than their class teacher? Because अब आजकल school भी online हो गया है, right? Even there's even the teachers are teaching students online. So if you are planning to give tuitions to students, what is it so different about you? Why should they not go to their teachers and why should they come to you? What is the value proposition and what is the persona? Persona होता है हमारा brand. Persona होता है how do we vibe with people. How are you creating this niche market for yourself? Like for example, we also have an Ayurvedic doctor amongst us who wants to go online, who wants to go ahead and start up her online clinic. What is it that she's bringing to the table? How is Ayurveda, okay, the ancient medicinal knowledge of our ancestors, how is she going to make it a part of our life? And what is her personality? Because जिस तरह की आपकी पर्सनालिटी होगी, जिस तरह से आप दिखते हैं, जिस तरह से आप बोलते हैं, the way you converse, your choice of words, all right, the way you market yourself becomes your persona. The most important thing is what are the communication channels you are using. When I say communication channels, I'm talking about all the social media platforms that you're making use of. Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Quora, Pinterest, Reddit, are in different, there are millions of other communication channels, WhatsApp, Skype, Telegram. Okay, you have I think even that one is, there's so many platforms available, communication channels को. तो आपके प्रोडक्ट के हिसाब से, और according to what kind of product you are wanting to promote, depending upon what kind of clientele market you are planning to create is what you will choose as a communication channel. Always remember this. In future, if today or tomorrow, it is always advisable to collaborate with your customers to co-create a difference, co-create a difference in their living. Whatever you are planning to do, understand one basic thing is that you are going to be doing value addition. When I say value addition, you're planning to do make a bring about a difference in somebody else's life. If you intend to bring about difference in somebody else's life, you need to collaborate. There has to be a collaboration. खाली ताली एक हाथ से नहीं बजती, आपको दोनों हाथों का इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा. Somebody's mobile phone is vibrating. Can you just keep it a little away from the laptop if in case it's been placed very near to the laptop? Thank
Please
you.
keep on mute so that there will be no disturbance. Every one of
Correct.
you, we request you all, please remain on mute. A video you may keep on, just mute yourself. As and when you'd like to talk, you may just unmute and speak.
Yes, thank you so much, very much, doctor. Thank you so much. All right, collaborate with the customer. Do not pitch your product. Do not try to be a salesman. आजकल उसकी वैल्यू नहीं रही. Don't talk about your product. नहीं. Collaborate. All right, build a relationship. Soften your asks. का मतलब ये है कि before you tell what you have to offer, okay, before you ask them what you need, understand what they need. It is very important that you study the market before you go ahead and talk about your product or service that you have to offer. Okay. Everybody clear until here? Anything else that you want me to add here? People, या तो आप एकदम चुप हो जाते हो या तो आप बोलने लग जाते हो. Any questions we have here? सब गायब है. Thank you. हाँ जी,
I
शिखर
have
जी
one
बोलिए.
question.
Please do.
Now that's fine whenever we are having some kind of conversation or one-to-one kind of face-to-face communication, we may ask about their need and all. But whenever you go online, actually you need to communicate from your end first, right? So that is of course one way, means we need to communicate with them and then they need to respond us. So how to actually understand their need at the first level, that which you were added no just now. So just want clarification on that part.
I'll do that. Thank you so very much. That was an excellent question. Before you go ahead and connect with your customer, understand what are the trends in the market? What is the consumer behavior vis-a-vis the kind of service that you're intending to provide? Like for example, Satish ji ko karna hai Reiki healing. Now, Reiki healing is a concept which is very popular. If you go ahead and do Reiki, if you go and Google Reiki healers, you'll find so many of them, right? But कौन सा market segment है जो Reiki healing appreciate करता है? Because Reiki healing is किसी का. Okay, my request is आप अपना cell phone जो है ना कैमरा से थोड़ा दूर रखिए या अपने लैपटॉप से दूर रखिए.
शीतल का है, शीतल का, आप उनको म्यूट पे डाल दीजिए. शीतल वानगे, प्लीज म्यूट कर लीजिए अपने आप को, नहीं तो फिर आप डाल दीजिए उनको म्यूट पे.
थैंक यू कर दिया. तो रेकी हीलिंग कौन अप्रिशिएट करता है रेकी हीलिंग? बिकॉज रेकी हीलिंग एक ऐसा कॉन्सेप्ट है which is considered to be alternative medicine, right? But then reiki healing कौन अप्रिशिएट करता है? How many people actually vouch for reiki healing? You have to find that market. Then and only then, once you understand that market segment, kaun sa age group, what kind of demographic are people open for Reiki healing? Okay, which particular city, which particular town can you go ahead and talk about it? Then you go ahead and propose your product. Without doing a market research, without understanding the consumer behavior, you cannot go ahead and talk about your product at all. Okay, for people who are intending to communicate about your product will not be able to understand. Sales is all about collaboration. It is not about selling. और बगैर market research के तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. You have to do the background work. You have to go ahead and study. You have to go ahead and understand. Do you even have a market? What kind of market? Who are my people? Okay. Let's understand what happens. I hope I've answered your question regarding this. All right. Now let's understand what is the trend that when you talk about digitalization, when you talk about virtual selling, when you talk about online sales, there's something called as rise of augmented reality. Augmented reality is always an illusion. Virtual platform is an illusion. एक काल्पनिक दुनिया है जिसमें हम सब जीने लगे हैं आजकल. Alright, the world has become smaller and smaller. एक जमाना था जब हम कहते थे the world is a global village. पर ये किस तरह के लोग कहते थे? जो लोग बहुत travel करते हैं. Before 2020, the world was a global village for people who traveled all across the globe. मॉर्निंग में दिल्ली, शाम को जलंधर, रात में चंडीगढ़, अगर ऐसा कोई ट्रैवल कर रहा होगा ना, फॉर देम द वर्ल्ड वाज अ global village. But 2020 has changed it for everybody. No matter what corner of the world you are still connected to each other. And that is how close we have become. And ये हमेशा अब रहेगा. ये हमेशा ऐसे ही रहेगा क्योंकि people have understood the power of virtual reality. Now, what is it that we can do in order to encash this virtual reality? एक, one of the most important that you can do in order to encash is create your sales presentations. Create your sales presentation in such a way that people are in awe of the presentation. Presentation बनाना भी एक कला है, creativity है. Learn this art. Email connects. You can connect to people by sending a, this is part of an inside sales process where you can connect to people through emails. You can talk about your product to the email, to the consumer through an email. You can send, do not send them SMSs, do not send them those, do not have those telemarketing SMSs, or do not send those WhatsApp things because people generally don't read. But when you create a very lucrative brochure of your offerings, people will definitely look up to it. Then create bite-sized videos. When I talk about bite-sized videos, they should not be more than 30 to 60 seconds. Maximum 30 to 50 seconds के बीच में अगर आप अपना वीडियो बनाते हैं, which has the entire bouquet of offerings that you are offering to the consumer. Okay, then go do e-retailing. Like for example, Ayurvedic clinic. Now, for example, Lakshmi ji wants to set up her own business of Ayurvedic clinic, right? Clinic online. She might be having loads of products. She can do e-retailing. Okay, tie up with Amazon, tie up with Flipkart, tie up with GeoCard, tie up with anybody who is into e-retailing. She can offer up products on their shelves where people can pick and choose. If you are into education, like for example, one ma'am wanted, I'm really very sorry, I'm a little bad in terms of remembering names so early. She wanted to go ahead and teach accountancy to people. Now you have to create that e-learning gambit for students. You have to create how you have to sit down with a designer or to see or you learn that trick of designing accountancy. How do you design accountancy lessons or e-learning platform? How do we ensure that children can learn even if they are not connected to you on our video conferencing? They can come back to you always on a Zoom call. They can always come back to you on WhatsApp. But how is it that you're offering your product for offline learning? Okay, that's one way of doing it. The next one that we can possibly uh, everybody offline again. This is a very strange thing. On a sales for this thing, everybody goes offline and they don't want to put a face to the name. One of the key essentials. This is an advice to everybody. If you want to be into sales, if you want to excel in sales, get used to being online. Get used to switching on the video. If there is no face to the name, people will not entertain you. Because no matter, I'm sure if you are inclined to learn what it is all about, you should also be inclined to show your face. That's one key classic services. Yes, Mrs. Bhattacharya, you are providing counseling services and skill training to people. Yes, we can. If you are intending to provide counseling services to people, or for example, let us take skill training. If you talk about skill training, create e-learning courses online that people can talk about, that people can utilize those learnings when they are offline. Something that you will teach them online, wherein you will give a guidance as to how to follow step 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will create a course module that they can refer offline, and then they can go back and learn and they can go ahead and experiment with the learning that they're doing, on an online platform. Create those e-learning modules. It will help people should have something to take home. People should have something to refer to as notes. right? So that is how you could possibly do. Any more questions we have, please ask me now so that before I move on to the next slide. Okay, since you do not have questions, let me little move on. Anybody else has any question? Thank
Ma'am, you
you.
said that the market study is needed.
Yes.
And my question is, if we see the market and we copy, it won't become a copy or paste. We should have originality, no?
Yes, you should have originality. Do not copy the market. Understand the market. Understand the consumer behavior. All right. Like for example, you little okay. For example, let us say you have an X product that you want to offer to the people, right? But you need to understand, are people using the similar kind of product in the market? If they are using a similar kind of product in the market, what is the demographic location of those clients? Who are using it? What is the age group of those people who are using the product? And what are the choices of brands that they are making, selecting? And what is the medium of consumption that they are having? So that it will help you to create a strategy that ABCD is my competitor. I am different from them. Then you'll go ahead and create the differentiation factor when you create your own video. Okay. Then you will go ahead and talk about if there is a certain set of people who are utilizing that product, which is very similar to what you're offering to the market, and you also want to target the same age group of people. All right. Then you will talk about how this particular product is useful for that particular age group. See, any product, like for example, have this is my very common example. This is a lip balm, right? This is a lip balm which is used by everybody. Okay? This is a lip balm being used by everybody, but who is the one who uses it the most? सबसे ज़्यादा कौन इस्तेमाल करते हैं इसको? What is the age group of this?
Usually youngsters, adolescents, and women.
Right. Women use it more than men, right? Women use it more
Yes.
than men. And even among women, who uses it more? What is the age group? What is the age group?
Youngsters, young
Youngs,
ladies.
youngsters, office going women, they make use of
Yes.
it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, assume a scenario, this because this has got a gloss onto it. This has a
Yes.
gloss, which means it replaces lipsticks in case of emergencies. So people who are more socially active, they are the ones who use it,
Yes.
right? So when
Yes.
Nivea talks about it, when Nivea talks about this particular product, they talk about how it replaces the lipstick. It talks about how it makes your lips soft and supple. So that means they are basically targeting a age group anywhere between 18 to 40. Because this is an age group which is very active socially. In Indian scenario, this is an age group very active. Nowadays, people are start becoming more active after they cross 40, which is a welcome change, right? But however, if you talk about majority of the consumption all across the country, if you talk about it is anywhere between 18 to 40. And it is mostly women who are socially active, not everybody, even in that scenario also. It is urban and semi-urban and rural urban areas where they actually place this product. If you go to a rural area, you'll never find Nivea. You'll never find this
Yes.
particular lip balm. You'll find a
Yes.
Vaseline, which is very common, right? But where is the product placement? So when you do a market research, it helps you understand whom am I catering to? Where is my market? Where should I restrict? Where is the mass consumption? All right, that is where the market research comes into place. Another thing that is very, very important for everybody to learn and to understand is to build sales online. If you want to build your brand, you need to go live. You have to go live. You have to be visible on all social media platforms. Why you need to be on social media platform? Point number one. so that you can target look-alike customers. See, the consumer market is vast, but not everybody is your customer. You need to be very specific as to who can be your customers, because there would be a chance people who may not understand the value proposition of your product, people who may not even need your product may go ahead and buy it one time, and then these are the people who will give you bad reviews. One, why? Because they never understood what the product can do for them. Second is this, that they bought it and they had no use of the product. So they, instead of instead of taking the ownership of saying that I was wrong in choosing the product, they will always say that the company or the person who gave me this product or offered me this service was absolutely not worth it. So there becomes a mismatch. Pick and choose your customers. Always offer fewer choices. You may have hundreds of offerings in your kitty, but segregate them, make a plan, phase wise launching. मैं अगले 3 महीने में मैं 2 सर्विस लॉन्च करूंगी and I want these 2 services to penetrate deeply into the market. I want to acquire maximum number of people for these 2 services. Then offer the second set of services. That means ये भी हम करते हैं, ये भी हम करते हैं. So then it creates a lot of avenue. Then it brings about a lot of consumers to you. Okay. Last but not the least, payment options. Ensure, because we all work for money, ensure that you have multiple gateways for making payments. चाहे वो गूगल पे हो, चाहे वो यूपीआई पेमेंट हो, चाहे वो नेट ट्रांसफर, whatever. Ensure that you have all channels of payment open for people so that they can pay at the convenience. Okay, remember this always, it is very important. Then comes the most and the important part, that is called as digital telepathy. Digital telepathy हम सब जानते हैं ना क्या है. अच्छा मुझे बताइए, what is telepathy according to you? What is telepathy? What is
knowing
telepathy?
someone who is what he's thinking.
Okay, knowing someone what is thinking. Good, excellent. Anybody else? Reading mind. Yes, Ms. Naveen, reading mind. And how many times, कितनी बार ऐसे हुआ है हमारे साथ में, like we are thinking of somebody and the person calls up, है ना?
Yes.
होता है ना ऐसा? That's called as telepathy. Because the moment somebody we're thinking about somebody and the person calls up, the first thing that we say is, oh, you're going to live for 100 years. 100 साल जियोगे. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में ही सोच रही थी. That's the standard dialogue we give, right? That's the standard dialogue we give. Now there's also something called as digital telepathy. Let's understand what digital telepathy is all about. So digital telepathy is nothing but connecting with your customer. So whenever we are offering services, always remember, whether it is a product, whether it is a service, it always should be customer first. That means customer centricity. First and the most important thing is customer value. What value addition will your product and your service will bring to your customer's life is what you need to be clear about. Because अगर आपके पास वो clarity नहीं है, then you will not be able to communicate the same thing to your customer. Like I said earlier also, the consumer market is huge, but not everybody is your customer. The customer value. Second most important thing is the customer experience. जिसको आपकी प्रोडक्ट की जरूरत होगी, उसी को आपको अगर प्रोडक्ट दोगे तो उसका एक्सपीरियंस भी पॉजिटिव रहेगा. If you offer a product to a person who does not need your product or your service, irrespective how good and excellent your product or service is, the person will always come back with a bad review. Why? Because you did not bring about a change in anybody's life. Okay. Every customer comes with a life cycle. Please understand, everything in this world comes with a shelf life. एक उसका ड्यूरेशन होता है, उसके बाद वो निकल जाता है. Then there is another addition. That is why offer fewer products or offer fewer services. Make a strategy ताकि जो है the first cycle of consumer go and they give you very positive products because your product and your services made a change in their life. Then you come up with another set of services or your product so that the new customers who come in, so that then there are new additions happening, not the same old recycling. अगर आप सेम कस्टमर को रिसाइकल करते रहोगे ना, there will come a point wherein customer saturation हो जाएगा. Customer will reach a particular stagnation point कि जहाँ पे उसको value addition ही नहीं समझेगा. Right? Remember the customer life cycle also. Like very simple example, somebody pinged and said, that I would want to do e-learning courses. E-learning course, हाँ, I think Sayani pinged and said, I'm doing I want to do skill training. Skill training का भी एक life cycle होता है. Like for example, there was skill training. Give me an example. My mind is not running right now. What is a skill? पहले तो बताओ. Sayani जी बोलिए, what kind of skill trainings do you do?
We do basically based on job oriented skills so that they can crack the interview and move ahead in their
Yes,
career
yeah.
for youth.
Correct. Excellent. Let us say interviewing skills. Okay, how to conduct an interview, how to clear an interview. That is a skill that you're intending to develop that has a shelf life.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. एक बंदा, okay, a person who is like a first timer, who is a fresher, उसकी एक shelf life होती है. Like for example, if he appears for an interview and he clears the interview and he gets into the job, he is no longer a fresher, right? He has graduated. Now then comes the next cycle. Have to build your career. Have to build your career. That's another interviewing skills. That's another level that you can create in terms of e-learning. There is another, because shelf life हर एक कस्टमर का बहुत शॉर्ट लिव होता है. सेम एज सतीश जी ऑल्सो. रेकी हीलिंग, अगर कोई सर्दी खांसी बुखार है तो उसको आप रेकी हीलिंग देते हो, करेक्ट. एक बार उसकी सर्दी खांसी ठीक हो गई तो फिर वो चला गया. फिर कोई नया कस्टमर आएगा विद डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एन इशू, फिर आप उसको रेकी अलग तरह से दोगे, राइट. चक्रा हीलिंग की रेकी दोगे आप, चक्रा अनब्लॉकिंग की रेकी दोगे. तो कहने का मतलब ये है कि every consumer comes with a limited life cycle. So you need to be very clear कि what kind of product will serve what kind of people, what is the value addition that you're bringing into their life, and what is the lifespan of the person, so that you can plan your strategy to move deeper and deeper into the market. Right? Now let's understand the next and the most important part. I would appreciate if you can read this.
Electric communication
Charles?
will not be a
Yes.
substitute for the face of someone who with their soul encourages another person to be brave and true. Charles Dixon.
Excellent. Excellent. Human beings, as human beings, we are all social animals. Okay? We are all social animals. हम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स वर्चुअल रियलिटी में पुश किए गए हैं, बट गिवन अ चांस we always want to have that touch and feel of a person. We always want to look into the eyes of the person when we are communicating with, right?
Yes.
That is something which can never ever be replaced. You cannot replace that thing. There cannot be a second step. Considering the fact that everything now has moved on virtual ground, everything has moved on to a virtual reality platform. Now, what are the options available for me? Okay, what are the options available for me to connect with my customer? What and how does my customer likes to be connected with me? We need to be very clear upon that. Now, please remember, either you go big online or you go home. If you are not available online, if you are not found online, then nobody will remember you. Nobody will remember you. Okay, you have to be online. So, one of the most important cardinal rule है ये. Show your prospect and your clients that you value their time. हमेशा ये बात याद रखिएगा. That is why researching in terms of what is the market that you have available, what value addition that your product can bring about in the other person's life, how exactly would you want them to take, utilize or make the best of your product and services. You have to ensure that you communicate to your clients that you value their time with you. If the customer or the client feels that आप उसका time waste कर रहे हो, the person will not come back. Sales में एक ratio proportion मानते हैं हम. One customer brings about 5 more customers. अगर एक कस्टमर आपका आपका अच्छा रिव्यू देता है, चाहे वो ऑनलाइन हो चाहे वो ऑफलाइन हो, उसके साथ 5 इनविजिबल कस्टमर्स हमेशा फॉलो करते हैं. Now, when you are targeting this first customer, you also need to remember the 5 other customers. So always ensure that you're offering value addition to your consumers and you tell your customers that you value their time. आप उनका time waste नहीं कर रहे हैं. Whatever they are investing in the form of time, they are getting more than enough. सेकेंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग, आप अपने हर सर्विस के लिए, आप अपने हर प्रोडक्ट के लिए वीडियोस क्रिएट करना, बिकॉज वी आर ऑन टू अ वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म नाउ. हम हमेशा हर जगह नहीं रह सकते. ओके, दैट इज व्हाई वी नीड टू क्रिएट वीडियोस. एंड वीडियोस भी बहुत छोटे होने चाहिए, 30 सेकेंड, 60 सेकेंड, मैक्सिमम 60 सेकेंड. Anything above 60 seconds, people will not look at it. Why do you think TikTok इतना famous हो गया था? Why do you think? आपको याद है, there was a time before TikTok got banned, TikTok was the most sought after, and youngsters were like on to TikTok. Why? Why is that? Why do you think so? Why was TikTok so famous? बताइए. आज भी लोग TikTok को बहुत मिस करते हैं, बहुत से लोग. Why was TikTok so
क्योंकि आप
famous?
शॉर्ट वीडियो आप जल्दी बना सकते हो और प्रेजेंट कर सकते हो लोगों को.
शॉर्ट वीडियो जल्दी बना सकते हो. टिकटॉक के माध्यम से बहुत से लोगों ने अपनी बॉलीवुड ड्रीम्स जी लिए. शाहरुख खान के गाने पे खुद ही राज बन गए, खुद ही सिमरन बन गए. ठीक है, कोई कोई तो अक्षय कुमार भी बन गए, है ना. जो भी वॉट एवर मूवीज दैट दे हैड फैंसीड, बॉलीवुड की जो उनकी फैंसी थी ना, इतने लोगों ने फुलफिल कर लिया, इतने लोगों ने फुलफिल किया. क्योंकि आप गाने पे डांस करो, डायलॉग्स पे एक्ट करो और वो डायलॉग आप बैकग्राउंड में बजता है, लिपसिंग करते हैं आप, राइट. मेनी बिकेम स्टार्स, मेनी बिकेम स्टार्स. मैंने ऐसे ऐसे वीडियोस देखे हैं टिकटॉक पे एज अ लेसन लर्निंग के, मतलब हंसी छूट जाती थी मेरी कि लोग ऐसी भी बेवकूफ़ी करते हैं. बट बिलीव मी ऑफ यू, 23,000 followers, 53,000 followers, 5 lakh followers, 10 lakh followers, and you won't believe एक particular limit अगर आप टच करते हो followers की, TikTok is to pay them. TikTok उनको पे करता है. आज की तारीख में भी ऐसा है. Facebook पेज जो आप, if you have certain number of followers, Facebook का अपना एक क्राइटेरिया है, if you cross that limit of followers, it pays you.
फेसबुक है, यूट्यूब है, इंस्टा है.
फेसबुक है, यूट्यूब है, इंस्टा है, ये सब आपको पे करते हैं. बट वो फॉलोअर्स अगर आपको चाहिए तो यू हैव टू बी डिफरेंट. दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू गो बिग. और आपको ऑनलाइन जाना ही पड़ेगा। ऑनलाइन अगर आपको जाना है तो आपको अपनी शक्ल दिखानी ही पड़ेगी, तो वीडियो ऑन करना ही पड़ेगा। अच्छा लगे नहीं लगे वीडियो ऑन करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि सेलिंग में, सेल्स में, वर्चुअल सेल्स में जब तक आपकी शक्ल नहीं दिखेगी कोई नहीं कनेक्ट करेगा आपसे। बेसिक रूल क्लियर विद दिस?
Yes.
Okay, this is the last slide for today. This is the last slide for today. But if you want to know more about how to do it, if you want to know how to create sales online, I think Neeta will take it forward from there. How exactly does she want to incorporate this thing in your session? She will tell you how to do this. Okay. Any questions you have for me? Any questions you have for me? मेरे लिए कोई सवाल है आपका? Please feel free to ask any questions that you have.
Ma'am, how to begin with, ma'am?
How to begin with? How do you want to begin with? How do you want to begin with? चलो आप बताओ आपके माइंड में क्या है? How do you want to begin with? Tell me.
That's where I'm stuck. That's where I'm stuck
Tell
in
me.
that.
No. Do you have anything that you want to begin with? How do you want to begin with? आप कैसे जाना चाहते हैं?
एक्चुअली
Why
हेलो
is that form?
दीदी दीदी
हाँ जी बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए।
हाँ मुझे लगता है कि वो नॉलेज अपडेशन होना जरूरी है, जैसे ऑनलाइन वीडियो क्लिप करके वो डालना और प्रेजेंट करना, ये ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। और बेसिक स्किल वो ही हमको आपसे आप शायद वो बता सकते हैं।
हम आपको जरूर बता सकते हैं किस तरह से वीडियो क्रिएट करना है। गीता जी आपको इसके आगे गाइड करेंगे। नो वरीज ऑन द लाइन, है ना हमारी मैडम, है ना ऑनलाइन, टेंशन नहीं लेना। हाउ डू यू वांट टू गो ऑनलाइन? लक्ष्मी जी बोलिए, हाउ डू यू वांट टू डू इट? हाउ डू यू वांट टू स्टार्ट?
एक्चुअल में
I don't know,
हमारा
ma'am.
होमवर्क
Just
ही है,
when I
एक्चुअल में
joined.
वो हमारा स्क्रिप्ट करना पड़ेगा
फिट करना पड़ेगा। ओके गुड। एंड
एंड उसका नॉलेज प्रॉपरली, टाइमिंग रेशियो, टाइमिंग
ओके
उसका
ओके ओके
और टाइमिंग का भी देखना पड़ेगा, और प्रॉपरली रिक्वायरमेंट जो है वो फिल होना चाहिए विद इन टाइमिंग रिक्वायरमेंट
ओके।
एंड मेन पॉइंट। और मुझे एक बात पूछनी थी, ये यूट्यूब
ना।
का पेड सर्विसेज के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? सपोज हमारे लाइक बढ़ गए,
हाँ
हमारा
जी।
इनकम भी चालू होना चाहिए, एग्जैक्ट।
हाँ बिल्कुल होना चाहिए। अब यूट्यूब
तो
का मैं बताती
उसके
हूँ
लिए
क्राइटेरिया। यूट्यूब में आप शॉर्ट वीडियोस बनाइए। एक तो आप अपना यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, विच इज फ्री, दे डोंट चार्ज यू फॉर दैट। ठीक है।
ओके
आपका जो कंटेंट है ना एकदम
हाँ
ही एक्साइटिंग होना चाहिए, तभी लोग आपको देखेंगे। डिफरेंट होना चाहिए।
तो उसके लिए भी हमको गाइडलाइन चाहिए।
भाई आपको मैंने एक ये एक क्या कहते हैं उसको, एक एक सीक्रेट बताया है। रिसर्च कीजिएगा। whatever you intending to offer in the market, go research about that particular subject, चेक करो what
कौन सी वेबसाइट?
आप लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आप LIC अकाउंटिंग वाला करना चाहते हैं ना आप, ठीक है।
हाँ दोनों
आप
बोथ।
हाँ एग्जांपल ले लीजिए, अकाउंटिंग ही ले लिया आप
ओके
फॉर
ओके हाँ
एग्जांपल,
इट्स
ठीक
ओके
है।
हाँ
गूगल
हाँ
पे जाके आप चेक करो अकाउंटिंग क्लासेस ऑनलाइन, यूट्यूब पे जाके चेक करो अकाउंटिंग क्लासेस ऑनलाइन, आपको एक
ओके
बड़ी सी लॉन्ड्री लिस्ट मिल जाएगी। ओके, टेक टाइम आउट, गो ऑन टू पिक एंड चूज, रैंडमली पिक करके सुनो उनके यूट्यूब चैनल पे क्या बोल रहे हैं वो, क्या
ओके
ऑफर कर रहे हैं वो, राइट। ओके, देन गो ऑन गूगल, चेक आउट हाउ मेनी देयर आर इन योर एरिया, जहाँ पे भी आप रहते हैं, wherever you stay, okay, just
Okay.
check how many online tutorials are there for accounting in your own area, आपके अपने एरिया में कितने हैं,
ओके
एंड वो चेक करो कि कौन कौन अवेल कर रहा है उनको,
ओके
एंड
वो
देन
कैसे समझेगा?
आपको पता चलेगा, उसमें आपको पता चलता है, यू गेट टू नो।
ओके हाँ वो व्यूज के इसमें समझ जाता है कितने
हाँ
लोग
जी,
व्यू कर रहे हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
Okay.
बिल्कुल, आप उसको चेक करें, फिर देन सिट डाउन एंड सी what is it that they're offering online, and what is the age group that they're targeting. Okay, and
Okay.
then see what is it that you are planning to offer. आप क्या offer करना चाहते हैं, and how different are you from them. आपका
Okay.
differentiating factor क्या है, आपकी value addition क्या है.
Exact.
Okay, and then
Okay.
draft what you want to do. Coming
Bye.
back to Lakshmi ji, how do you want to start? कैसे से start करना चाहेंगे आप?
I have to study the market first.
Correct.
Then I have to make a list what are all the things I can do,
Okay.
how best I can do,
Excellent. Very good.
and how
So-
different I can do, and what the expectation of the people, customers.
Excellent. Excellent. Do you have a Facebook account?
No, Facebook account I have.
है ना?
Even I have a
Insta भी.
Facebook page. Yeah.
Page ना? Very good. Excellent. फिर क्या चाहिए? Facebook page है ना? How many posts have you put up on your Facebook page?
ब्लॉग भी कर
Of
सकते
late,
हैं ना?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल ब्लॉग कर सकते हैं.
All right.
बिल्कुल. So how many posts have you put up on your Facebook page?
not many, ma'am. Not
तो करो. See, you have a scope.
मैडम
आपके
ब्लॉग
पास
के लिए आपको वेबसाइट नहीं चाहिए?
ब्लॉग के लिए आप जाइए, गूगल का अपना खुद का ब्लॉग साइट है, वर्डप्रेस है, वर्डप्रेस करके बताइए, सारे फ्री है. आप ब्लॉगिंग साइट्स अगर गूगल कर लेंगे तो आपको बहुत ढेर सारे फ्री ब्लॉगिंग साइट मिलते हैं. कोई भी आप अपने पसंद की ब्लॉगिंग साइट लो, शुरू हो जाओ. राइट? व्हाई डोंट यू राइट पोस्ट on your Facebook page? Go on Facebook and see कि आपकी तरह की कितनी सर्विसेज ऑफर हो रही हैं. सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे अगर आप हैं तो उसको वहीं पे रिसर्च करें पहले. ठीक है? सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स आर वेरी पावरफुल प्लेटफॉर्म. दे कैन चेंज योर लाइफ फॉर एवर अगर उसको सही तरीके से यूज होता है तो. Don't get stuck into the rut of a social media platform, but use it your benefit to the maximum. Okay? अच्छा, मैं एक गूगल फॉर्म शेयर कर रही हूँ. आप अपना प्लीज फीडबैक मुझे दीजिएगा. इट्स जस्ट 2 minutes विल टेक फ्रॉम योर लाइफ टाइम. आज की सेशन के बारे में प्लीज अपना फीडबैक मुझे दें so that I can also improve. I hope whatever we discussed and we spoke about, I was able to add value to your life, and I'm sure that you would go ahead and make use of all the tips that we have discussed. There's a famous saying in English, one day or day one, you decide. आप कहाँ रहना चाहते हैं? Please share your valuable feedback. I have shared the Google Doc ka link on the chat window. It will help me improve.
So have you done with
Over-
Rizwana?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so very much for the opportunity. It was a pleasure interacting with your people. Amazingly good they are. And wish them all the best. Wish you all the best, people. Thank you so much, Nita. Thanks a million, Doc. Thank you.
Thanks a ton from our
Thank you,
end.
ma'am.
It was lovely session and we have
Thank
got so
you.
many inputs. Now I'll just put a few things like
Thank you.
now tomorrow we have to launch our program. All right. Now madam has given a lot of inputs how to actually go live online. Then based on research, actually how you should start with. So those who are having confusion how to start, whatever you have think about, just go on Google and just try to find out what other people are doing. Once you understand what other people are doing, actually while watching them itself, you'll understand, okay, this is my service, I may give like this. So my offering, I may give like this. So that's how actually that may change. And you will get that inputs automatically. So it's not about copying anything, or it's not about losing our originality. You be original, no problem. But the
So
thing
much
is,
of-
whenever you are confused at that moment of time, from where to start, that become actually very difficult, because we keep on just working to fine tune whatever things we are having, and in fine tuning actually we don't go for action. So that action we have to take tomorrow itself, and tomorrow itself we have to launch our program. So my humble request to all of you, whatever task I have given till date, I was given few of the questions to you regarding your offering. So if you will just go through that and you will complete that, so at least you may come up with your business offerings, whatever you'd like to actually come up with for giving to your clients. Now, once you have done with that exercise, then tomorrow I'll give you again basic things step by step. Even how to make videos, that also I will tell you. Then how to start with, that also I will tell you. Even I'll give you some template also. So tomorrow, of course, we are going to launch our WhatsApp class. But prior to that, I request you all, you should be ready with whatever things we have till date. So it may be sale, it may be public speaking, it may be storytelling, it may be your goal setting. So you need to be very crystal clear about your offering. Then and then only it will be possible to launch your WhatsApp class, right? So that was another input. So don't worry about it. Whatever questions, yes, Lakshmi ma'am, Malti ma'am, whatever you are having in your mind, don't worry about that. Tomorrow we'll be discussing those things. Okay. Now, coming to you, Rizwana, it was a wonderful session. We really loved it, and it was also interactive session. You also covered the question answer during every slide. After every slide, you were asking. Yes, few people don't come on the video. That's fine, but still, I hope that they must be ready for selling their product. Though they are not coming on video, but they must be ready for their selling purpose.
Absolutely, absolutely. I wish them all the best, all the best. Thank you so much, Nita ma'am. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you
Bye.
so much.
Good
Thank you.
night.
Thank
Bye.
you,
Good
ma'am.
night. Take care. Thank you. Take care.
Chalo.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.
Chalo then. Should we leave?
Yeah, I think because I'm the host, if I'm at the moment I end this, everybody is going to meet me now. Shall I end this meet then?
Just
Yes,
a
yes.
minute. Recording, I'll get no, because I was started it. Okay, you may end it.
Yes. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Good night. Take care of
Chalo.
yourself.
Good
Bye.
night. Bye bye.
Thank
Take
you
care.
so much. Good night. Bye.